Hi, Amir.
Hello, sir.
Congratulations, huge congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations, Amir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
So all this effort that we put in has paid, and friends, today we are talking to Amir Nandedkar, son of Group Captain Nandedkar, and it's a great pleasure in introducing him because he got through recently from Bhopal in SSC Tech 63, and I'm certain you are joining.
Thank you, sir.
It's just a matter of time. So the aim of getting together is, ये aim इसका यही है कि जो भी इसके बारे में सुने थोड़ा, since you come only, you got
Recently. Yeah, not very far away.
they learn from,
Yeah, exactly.
right?
Yes.
Aim is not to blow your trumpet or our trumpet, but to tell what has to be done and what is it that
And how do we help you?
Yes, sir.
and how did we help.
Yes, sir.
So first, it's over to you. You can introduce yourself and then tell us how did you approach in your second attempt?
Okay. So my name is Amay Nandedkar and I'm from Pune, Maharashtra. I completed my graduation in BTech Computer Science and I've been recommended for Army SSC Tech 63 entry from Bhopal in the month of May. So I had come to Gurudeva to take guidance and for my SSB attempts. So the Gurudeva Academy was recommended by one of my course mate in engineering.
Right.
So through that, I had come to the academy. So my first impression itself after meeting Sinha sir was incredible because sir took my personal interview at the initial days.
That is initially when everybody comes.
Yes.
Assessment.
We
Assessment.
do assessment and we boost the person
Yes, sir.
and create a situation where he knows where he got to work
Yes.
and we know where does he lack.
Yes.
And the combo of that produces whatever it does.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead, please.
So this exercise basically helped me realize and introspect into what the things that I need to improve on and work on. So initially it was general knowledge and also a lot of introspection was required in my PIQ. So this at the initial level really helped me. And further talking about the process itself, the 14-day process, in the entire process, what I was really helped me was the practice. That was main focus of Gurudeva Academy. That practice, practice, practice. And trust me, that really helped me in my
Because
SSB.
without practice,
Nothing. You don't give
I mean,
anything.
Yes,
you understand a lot of things.
Yeah.
आप बहुत सारा चीज समझ तो जाते हैं.
Yes, sir.
जब बोलने की बात आती है, तो उसके लिए ये बहुत जरूरी है. It is essential
Absolutely.
that you must practice.
And practice gives you the confidence.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
that I've already performed.
Yeah.
That is why it is said Manan, Chintan, and Lekhan. You must write also.
Yeah.
You must think also,
Yes, sir.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So, tell me, one of the most difficult part of the entire selection process
Right.
is the stage one.
Yeah, that is.
Yes, sir.
How did you go about making yourself worthy that I will make it in the first group?
So definitely, like sir said, stage one is the most important aspect of the SSB. And what we really need to understand is that it is all about your psychological test that you write, which is the story writing. And when it comes to group discussion, the 1 minute that you have, that is the 1 minute where you can create a difference.
That's 1 minute of narration.
Yes, sir. 1 minute of
Right.
narration.
That 1 minute of narration, you have to be at your best.
Absolutely.
That is the only time when all the three SSRs are listening to you, all your peers are listening to you. So that is the 1 minute where you can,
And
mark
one more thing. Nobody is
sir.
disturbing you at this time.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you're on your own at that.
You're on
Yes,
your
sir.
own. So now that is an opportunity that you let it go slip. Or if you have practiced narrating story many a times,
Yes, sir.
then you know that you're capable of doing it,
Yes, sir. Definitely.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So your voice should be good. The way you look at people is good,
Yes, sir.
isn't it?
Modulate your
Modulate.
voice.
And every time that you went here, were you corrected during practice time? Where to keep your eye?
Yes, sir.
How to set?
Yes, sir. Every time I got individual feedback from all the SSRs. So that is what helped me improve in every attempt of the practice that I did here. So that individual feedback makes a huge difference in learning.
So what do you think? PPTT, that is stage one, is more difficult, or stage 2 is more difficult?
I would say both are equally difficult in their own aspects. What is the most important thing is to navigate through them with the right mindset.
And that navigation depends upon practice.
Practice, definitely. Practice is the only key that comes here.
And most of the people feel that, and without doubts, stage 1, I mean, he has got his own experience, but I have got now 17 years of experience in this field. And I went to SSB when I was in 1999 as Deputy President, 19 SSB.
Right.
So, don't you feel that stage 1 you get 1 minute time to speak?
Just 1 minute.
Yes,
You
sir.
don't know what crowd are you going to get.
Yes, sir.
Will somebody allow you to talk or not?
So just the most important, like it's not like group discussion.
Yes, sir.
It is you're on your own and you're speaking flawlessly.
And in stage 2 you get more time.
Yes, sir.
Because interviewer is going to give you almost 45 minutes.
Yes, sir.
So if 1 or 2 things have gone wrong, perfectly alright.
That is, we can say, it's a crucial 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
That is a
So
crucial
that
1 minute.
narration part of PPTT is the most crucial 1 minute of your life,
Yes, sir. Definitely.
which will propel you to get into second stage.
Yes,
If
sir.
you have done that, almost 30 to 40% of your stage 1 is clear.
Clear. Definitely, sir.
Not only that, I think OIR is also quite important if you have to go on to the next stage.
Yes, sir.
So people, students must.
And what are your suggestions? What are your suggestion for, or what did you do for the discussion part of PPTT? क्या आपको बहुत हल्ला करना है, या बहुत चुप रहना है, या क्या करना है? क्या strategy आपने apply?
So for me, what I used was the main thing is that you need to participate in the discussion in the positive direction. So we need to really focus that for the development of the group, the progress of the group. So the most important aspect is participating in the group and providing a positive
So there are 2
progress.
things: your participation
Yes.
and progress. Progress does not mean dominate.
No,
Yes, sir.
correct.
Definitely.
Take your group along.
Group ahead.
So initially when you came, you
Yes,
had
sir.
too much of weight also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Which we pointed out was fantastic.
And
That
I
you
might
are-
have written here also, he needs to lose weight.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
And I have written it right.
Yeah.
First word is right. But aim is that when you go to a coaching academy, do they look at you holistically कि इसका क्या चीज अच्छा है और क्या चीज और अच्छा किया जा सकता है और क्या चीज गड़बड़ है जिसको ठीक किया जाए.
Yes, sir.
So that's what was stage 1.
Yeah.
So overall crux what you have said, what we understand, a lot of practice of story writing,
Yes, sir.
a lot of practice of story narration.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And you see, most of the students who come back from there, they say, sir, it was a fish market. So, fish market means what?
The fish market is basically when everybody starts speaking together in the same time. So at that time, it gets a little difficult to put your voice forward, but that is what makes a leader. So
Right.
that is something that you should practice. And Gurudeva Academy specifically teaches us how to navigate in such a situation. Yes,
So
sir.
when chaos is happening, don't add to the chaos.
Right.
Yes, sir.
First control the chaos,
Absolutely.
and then opportunity will come to you.
Definitely, sir.
Right? You don't have to be adding to the chaos. You are a leader. We are choosing leader.
Yes.
You have got nothing to do with whether your story is very good. I mean, generally we have seen, do you look like one who will control the crowd, who will participate nicely and carry the team?
Yes, sir.
Right. That was about first. So now tell me something about how did you go about, how was the psychology test there? How much could you write and what helped you?
Okay. So talking about the stage 2, which is it begins with the psychological test on day 2 for the army, and in my case, I attempted all the pictures. Yes,
All the pictures.
all the pictures. Yes, and Gurudeva Academy really helped me in this aspect that they focused on time-bound writing. So I remember that every story of mine was completed around 20 seconds before the next picture was shown.
So that gives you the respite.
Yes.
वो आपको थोड़ा वक्त देता है कि यार बाकी लोग लिख रहे हैं लेकिन मेरा कंप्लीट हो गया है.
Yes.
हौसला बढ़ जाता है.
Correct.
हौसला बढ़ता है. और हौसला अपने आप बढ़ता है.
अपने आप.
और बहुत जरूरी है.
बहुत जरूरी.
Yes.
हौसला बहुत जरूरी है.
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि जिसमें हौसला नहीं है वो फौज में जाके क्या करेगा.
Yes.
लेकिन इसीलिए सारा प्लानिंग जो गुरुदेवा में किया है हमने इस तरीके से किया है कि आप हर बार दौड़े, थोड़ा रुके, आराम करें, सांस लें, second story, third, fourth, fifth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th.
12.
So that is about story writing.
Yes, sir.
VAT में क्या हुआ? कितने लिखे?
So VAT में I attempted all the questions. I did not leave any of the questions words
Very
unknown. So I
तो हमने
made.
कुछ सिखलाया भी था.
Yes, sir.
उसको ठीक है.
हाँ.
तो मतलब आपने उसको अप्लाई किया.
Yes, sir. Definitely.
और VAT लगता बड़ा आसान है.
Yes, sir.
क्या है? बॉय के ऊपर लिखना है, गर्ल के ऊपर में लिखना है, मॉम के ऊपर में लिखना है, एफिशिएंसी के ऊपर में लिखना है. लेकिन जब लिखने पे आओ तो लिखना क्या है ये बहुत जरूरी है.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And that you thought you got it here.
Yes, sir. Definitely.
And speed of writing is very important.
Very important.
Yes.
Very
लोग खाली क्वालिटी ऑफ दैट एंड दैट एंड एसआरटी कर रहे हैं, जबकि हम यहाँ at this place we talk about
writing speed and content.
so content and speed both have to be done.
Yes, sir.
And that's what you did.
Yes, sir.
Because content रहेगा तो आपको भरोसा होगा. You will feel nice that I'm writing that. और speed रहेगा तो you know I'm going along with it. And to remain cool is very important at that time.
Yes, sir.
How was the SRT?
So SRTs were again incredible because again I had done a lot of practice at the academy. So I attempted around 55 SRTs.
That's good enough. That's good enough.
Yes, sir.
That's wonderful. But you can't write very
Small.
हाँ थोड़ा सा खोल करके भी लिखना
Yes,
है
sir.
कि भाई ये किया तो क्या करो, क्यों करोगे, थोड़ा पता चलना चाहिए तुम्हारा साइकोलॉजी. खाली आपने ऐसे ही लिख दिया,
Yes, sir. वैसे नहीं किया.
तो वैसे लिख देने से काम नहीं बनता
नहीं
है.
चलेगा.
साइकोलॉजी को आपको दिखलाना पड़ता है कि मैं ये करूंगा इसलिए.
Yes, sir. Action oriented.
थोड़ा एक्शन ओरिएंटेड.
Yes, sir.
So that gave you, what was your feeling when you came out of the psychology test and when you were speaking to others? भाई तुम्हारा कितना हुआ, कितना नहीं हुआ?
So one thing that I noticed a difference in between me and other candidates was that many of them missed a lot of VAT, or some of them even missed writing few of the pictures.
Oh,
So that I did not face a problem in any of my attempts because with practice and time-bound practice, I was able to attempt most of my answers.
so you feel that what we are doing is fair enough?
Yes,
Would
sir.
you like to advise us on something now that you're also experienced? और कुछ किया जाए ताकि वैसे now we have got a graded psychologist also. You must have met.
Yes, sir. I met sir.
Captain was.
Yes, sir.
He was not there during your time, but
Yes, sir.
now he's a permanent member.
Yes, sir.
Right. Anything else that you would like to suggest?
One thing that I would like to suggest, which is also taught in the academy, is that your SRT should be action-oriented. There shouldn't be beating around the bush in your answers.
So
So
that
you
is
should be-
that is the fundamental of entire argument, isn't it?
Yes.
Well, sir.
Bullseye.
Yeah, bullseye.
Don't beat around the bush.
Don't
Yes.
beat around the bush.
क्या करना है, एग्जैक्ट बात बतलाओ. We are armed forces, Air Force, Navy, Army, Coast Guard. We are goal oriented. Bullseye.
Yes, sir.
Don't beat around the bush.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. So now day 2 is over for you.
Yes, sir.
So day 2 is over. Someday you have your interview that day only.
Yes,
Or you can have subsequent days. But now only 2 things are left. That is your interview and your
GTU.
GTU. So, but it gives you upper age. If you have done all the 12 stories
Yes, sir.
to your heart's content,
Yeah, first 2 days are to your satisfaction means you are ready for the third day.
you know that
Yeah,
like
correct.
in the annals of cricket, cricket में कहते हैं भाई पहला बॉल आया उसको बाउंड्री पर भेज दिया मैंने.
Yes, sir. Then you're
अभी मेरे को
confident.
कोई चिंता नहीं है, 4 का स्कोर तो इस ओवर में मिल गया और एक तो मैं दौड़ करके चेंज कर ही लूंगा.
बिल्कुल.
तो अगर 5 भी एवरेज दिया
इनिशियल में.
Yes, sir.
साल में, but SSB is not one day.
It's 5-day process.
It's a 5-day process. It is just the beginning.
Yes, sir.
And you have to keep up your spirit.
Yes, sir.
So what did you do, Amey, to do well in the GTOs?
So when it came to GTO, what I focused again was that my only goal should be to take the group ahead and not focus on my performance.
Please mind, please. क्या
Take
बोल?
the group ahead, meaning Ranjit, leadership.
Leadership.
Yes.
That is what
Group
everybody
man.
is thinking. Yeah, group man.
He's a team man.
Team man. Yeah.
So are we going to prefer the individuals? मैं.
Never.
हमारा टीम चलना चाहिए.
Yes.
देखो क्रॉस कर रहे हो, आराम से क्रॉस करना. 1 मिनट आराम से. So you're controlling the group also. Some you are doing, some you are showing the path,
Yes.
some you are controlling. So कोई गलती कर दिया उस पर शाउट करना है क्या
No,
करना है?
not at all. You should never show any frustration or shout at it because they are your teammates and if this gets selected with you, you will be working with them in the army.
और not only that, गुस्सा करने से किसी की efficiency बढ़ जाती है.
No, they get demotivated. So
They get demotivated.
yes, sir.
अब क्रिकेट में बॉल छूट गया तो छोड़ना थोड़ी चाहता था,
Yes.
और उसके ऊपर से गाली भी दे रहे हो, तो उसको सेकंड टाइम में भी डर रहेगा.
Yes.
जिससे कम ऑन भगा भगा भगा, कोई बात नहीं, never mind, next time.
Yes.
And there is always life gives you time.
Yes, sir.
तो ये तो तुमने बताया that you worked on team. यार एक बात कहा जाता है कि हमारा ग्राउंड तो बहुत छोटा है, क्या तुमको ये महसूस हुआ?
No, sir, not at all. I didn't.
क्यों नहीं?
The reason being that Rahul sir took my GTO and Himani ma'am took my GTO classes, and the variation of obstacles that were created within the ground are more than sufficient.
वो हम कैसे करते हैं वो हमारे ऊपर.
Yes, sir. That is.
We teach you how to fish a fish. हम 50 बातें नहीं बताते आपको.
Yes, sir.
आपकी नजरिए को चेंज करते हैं, क्या देखो, क्योंकि करने का तरीका तो वहाँ है.
Yes, sir.
आपकी नजर जाती है कि नहीं वहाँ पर, वो है.
And वो जो steps बताए जाते हैं academy में, that only keeps playing back in your mind, and that only brings out solution in the real obstacles.
But one has to keep in mind in GTO that it's a group work.
Yes, sir.
Group is more important than you, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Definitely.
Group is very important. आप सोच रहे होंगे कि नहीं मैं दिखला दूं, जरा GTO के आंख में भी देख लूं.
Yes, no,
नहीं,
not.
GTO की तरफ ध्यान ही नहीं दे रहा.
बिल्कुल.
आप कर्मण्यवादी का रस्ते महाफलेषु कदाचन. Do thy duty. अपना काम करो. जो असेसर है उसको अपना काम करो.
Yes.
And that is what they appreciate.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So ग्रुप डिस्कशन अच्छा हो गया, ग्रुप प्लानिंग एक्सरसाइज अच्छा हो गया,
Yes, sir.
सबको मिल के काम चलाए, GTO निकल गया.
Yes, sir.
Some other day when we become an officer we'll discuss in detail. Today
Yes,
I'm
sir.
just covering
The structure.
the basics,
Basic structure.
because there are hundreds and thousands of people who will be listening and they must come up.
Yes, sir.
So now interview is 1-to-1. It is not easy. Johan sir took your interview.
Yes, sir.
He pointed out the best things, but he did also point out
The drawbacks or
the drawbacks.
yes, sir.
Did those drawbacks help you?
Yes, sir. Definitely. What sir suggested me during my first interview itself, I worked on them. So for me, it was general knowledge, and it was more awareness about the army and the forces. So that really helped me, because after the first interview itself, I worked on it. So
So tell me how much of Johan sir's and interview helped you out there?
it definitely helped, because sir not only took our interview, but sir also used to give us about general knowledge sessions about the current affairs or international relations that are happening.
Yes.
So these questions are asked in the interview.
And
So
Johan sir prepares very well.
yes,
If you listen to Johan sir only, the fillers questions that comes up,
yes,
he covers it so well.
yes,
And
then-
it helps you in your group discussions also,
Yes, sir.
lecture topics also.
Yes, sir.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
That's why we have designed that class
Yeah.
yes, sir.
and taken by an expert like
Johan sir.
Johan. And we keep discussing every day lunchtime.
Yeah.
We keep spending only time on
Also
this.
topic next
Next.
करेंगे.
And between us also there are a lot of exchange of
Exchange of
Views.
notes.
Views.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you're right. Views.
Now, एक दिन रात को तुम्हारा इंटरव्यू लिया था मैंने.
Yes, sir.
क्या जरूरत पड़ी थी, क्यों लेने की जरूरत पड़ी थी? रात के समय तो कोचिंग चलता नहीं है.
Yes, sir. And मैंने भी ये कभी मतलब it is the first time जो Gurudeva Academy goes beyond the working hours to provide the guidance. So I was lacking in my narration and my story writing. So with my interaction with Sinha sir, he specifically told me that after the classes are ended at 9 o'clock in the night, after you have your dinner, you will give me a video call on WhatsApp and you'll narrate 10 continuous stories. So this is what.
That gives you that extra effort.
Yes, sir.
It is unimportant that we how.
Yeah. Oh, that's okay. That's for your good.
Yes,
do
sir.
it for today.
Yeah, we do it for
What we are going through right now.
Yes, sir.
एक और घर में एक ग्रुप कैप्टन साहब के साथ there will be another officer.
Army में photo.
Oh, yes.
Army uniform में photo.
बस
Yes,
अब नेवी का करना है. Okay.
Yes.
So that was your part of the interview.
Yes, sir.
Anything else that you would like to tell us about? इंटरव्यू में कोई ऐसा सिचुएशन आया जो तुम नहीं आंसर कर पाए, and how did you handle it?
So there were a lot of questions on few questions on general knowledge that I wasn't able to answer, which I simply said that no sir, I don't know the answer, and I maintained my calm. I did not panic, nor did I show any anxiety over there. So the main thing is that whatever you know, just speak on that. What you
And
don't,
what you don't know, don't bluff.
yes, don't bluff. That is a
I have
key
been
aspect.
there for 5 years. Other than that, I've been in this business for 17 years.
Yes, sir.
In 1999, I went to SSB.
Yes, sir.
So you can call it, it's quarter of a century
Yes, sir.
that I'm into this field. We also, nobody is expecting you to be a god.
Yes, sir.
Absolutely not. Yeah. Nobody expects you to be, know all the time.
So there are
Not
three
know all
things,
the
three type of things that will happen. One, you don't have an idea totally. So you say, sir, I don't know.
No, yeah.
I'll find out and let you know. The second thing is, you have read it somewhere, you are not very sure. You should not bluff. You should say, sir, I'm not too sure.
Sure about it.
But I know
But
this.
can I make a intelligence guess?
Yes, sir.
He is a very, very, very matured man, that interviewer.
Yes, sir.
He will always tell you, go ahead, son.
Yes, sir.
They take out the best in you, in fact.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, people
very
think that
comfortable.
people think that interviewers are there. No, they only do not like the bluffers.
Yes.
And the people who are thinking that you can, yeah, that chap has already commanded a unit or a brigade
Yeah.
or a division.
Yeah.
That chap is chosen out of the chosen.
Yes, sir.
और उसको तुम घुमा रहे हो तो घुमाओ मत.
Yes, sir. Be
नहीं
honest.
जानते हो बोल दो नहीं. लेकिन उसके बाद क्या करना है? इंटरव्यू हॉल से बाहर निकल के क्या करना है? जो चीज का आंसर आपने नहीं जाना था.
Yes, Joe. Whatever questions that you missed or were not able to answer, make sure that you go back and learn or find the answers about it. Because at some SSB centers, you are also allowed to operate internet on net cafe. So make sure that in the evening you go and find out the answers, because and be prepared with it, so that next time if you ever interact with them and if they
Or in the conference they may
yes,
ask
conference they might ask.
to say that does he ठीक है हो गया इंटरव्यू हो गया नहीं.
Yes, sir.
जो नॉलेज कहीं पर गैप है उसको खटाक ठीक करना है.
Yes, sir.
राइट.
Yes, sir.
हाउ वाज योर कॉन्फ्रेंस?
So conference was very good. I was directly interacting with the president of the board, and he asked me basic questions about my stay and what are the good things that I did, and something good about the food. Why is it so good? So basic questions, nothing.
Tell me, is it fair that in a conference they insist on you and you start telling sir यहाँ गड़बड़ है वहाँ गड़बड़ है खटमल है
No, no,
मच्छर
no.
काटता है. Have you gone there to talk about खटमल and
Yes.
मच्छर?
Not at all.
खाना.
No.
You've gone there to finish your 5 days
Yes.
successfully.
और वैसे
And
भी
army में सब
Army
you're
में, हाँ.
supposed to feel it, you don't get all
Yes.
these niceties.
और वैसे भी जब आप किसी के यहाँ जाते हैं तो कुछ कमी पेशी होगी.
We don't point it out and
Unnecessarily.
complain.
When you don't know the complete thing, all the more.
Yes.
Never unnecessarily comment.
Never, sir.
I mean, not because I'm teaching you. You must remember, मौसी के यहाँ जा रहे हो, चाची के यहाँ जा रहे हो, उनके पास पैसे नहीं है ज़्यादा, उन्होंने सूखी रोटी खिलाई है, तो सूखी रोटी की भी तारीफ करो.
Yes.
भगवान श्री कृष्ण ने सुदामा का सूखा चावल खाया था,
Yes.
जो उसकी भाभी ने भेजा था, और त्रिलोक के भगवान थे, लेकिन उन्होंने वो सूखे चावल को भी खाया. भगवान राम ने सबरी का पेड़ खाया, झूठा,
Put up.
लेकिन उस झूठे को नहीं देखा. उन्होंने देखा कि
इसके
इसका
पीछे
इसकी
हेतु क्या है?
अंश क्या है? अंश क्या है?
इसकी मनुष्य क्या है?
Yes.
क्या? She wants to give me only the right one. So that was that. I am so delighted today to meet Amay.
Thank you, sir.
That, and this is just the beginning of life, beta.
Yes, sir.
You are a senior officer's son.
Yes, sir.
You have to go even beyond.
Yes, sir.
ये जो तुम्हारे में कामनेस है वो मेंटेन रखना.
Yes, sir. Definitely.
पढ़ाई लिखाई खूब करते रहना.
Yes, sir.
और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज फौज में जो है सिंसियरिटी both with your body and with your knowledge,
Yes, sir.
because it is this body which will tomorrow
Yeah.
be standing. और अब तो जमाना ये है कि 2 front नहीं शायद 3 front भी खोलेगा.
You don't have to get scared at all.
No,
You
no.
have to take care of your men.
Yes.
who are serving under.
Most important. And the equipment does not speak, but equipment speaks. Equipment speaks at the time of war
Yes, sir.
and during your practice days. So treat. That is why you will be taught that the first thing that you must do in the morning is what, sir?
Salute your weapons.
Go and touch,
Okay.
stand proper सावधान and salute it properly, because वही अन्नदाता है और वही हमारी लक्ष्मी है वही हमारी दुर्गा है, वही हमारी सरस्वती है,
Yes, sir.
और उसी के द्वारा जीतेंगे. So love your men, love your equipment, marry them up, and make yourself a fantastic officer. You don't have to do anything else.
That's it.
और जीवन की गाड़ी बहुत अच्छी तरह चलेगी.
Yes, sir.
It was simply a treat to talk to you today, Amin.
Same here, sir.
Is there anything else that you would like to, now at the end of this discussion, would like to advise Gurudeva as to what else can we do?
No, sir, there is no as such advice, but my only message to all the aspirants is that keep trying, be optimistic and positive in your life. And one thing that I'll suggest everyone is to read the CSR magazine, which is the Competition Success Review magazine,
Okay?
which really helped me in my lecturate.
Right.
So these are the few advice. And just be positive and honest in your
And work
attempts.
hard.
And work hard, definitely.
And there is no end to working hard.
Yeah.
Right?
Work and-
कर्मण्यवाधिकारस्ते, कर्म पर तुम्हारा अधिकार है, उस पर पूरा काम करो.
Yes, sir.
कर्मण्यवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन. The result is not thy concern. Do thy duty, result is not thy concern.
Yes,
So
sir.
on this note, Ame, please pay a lot of regards to your mom,
Yes, sir.
your dad, who gave you such lovely training data. We also thank you that you chose to come to us from Delhi,
Yes, sir.
because other places also there are a lot of act. And if you have liked us and it has proven good, God bless you. Be in touch.
Yes, sir.
We would like to till our last
Yeah,
breath. Today also one officer is going to come, who's come here for 5 days. He said, sir, can I come for a little while? I said, why not? You always treat to meet you.
Definitely.
Fantastic meeting you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Wonderful.
Good day, sir. Good day, sir.